Hello student friends, myself CA Rakesh Agrawal from Pune. I'm talking to CA intermediate students for the subject of cost and management accounting who wish to appear for this subject under the new syllabus recently introduced by Institute in the year 2023. My dear student friends, you are aware that ICAI has announced new syllabus on 1st of July 2023 and the first exam under this new syllabus will be held in May 2024. If you wish to study the subject of cost and management accounting from a gold medalist who is teaching this subject from last 32 years, then you may continue to watch this video further. For Hindi speaking students, those who understand Hindi, for them, the app-based video lectures are now available for the latest new syllabus, which is just introduced by the Institute. There is my app which is prepared by the name of Rakesh Agrawal only. You can download those lectures, video lectures in the app and you can play them. Now the time and place to study these lectures is anytime, anywhere. It is as per your convenience, as per your choice. You can study from anywhere, you can study anytime. The fees for this regular batch is rupees 15,000 including GST. And the validity of these video lectures will be 5 years with double view. It means every lecture you can view 2 times and the lectures will remain valid for 5 years. I think that is more than enough time for you to clear your intermediate exam. The language used while recording these lectures is Hindi plus English. That is the mixture. We call it as Hinglish. For more information about this product and to purchase this product, you can visit our website, that is www.carakeshagrawal.in, from where you can buy these lectures. Now, what about English speaking students? So, for English speaking students who do not understand Hindi at all, so those who don't understand Hindi at all may buy my previous recording, which I have codenamed as version 2. And this previous recording was recorded 100% in English. So that will be suitable to you. Now, though this recording was done under the previous syllabus, we call the previous syllabus as 2017 syllabus because that was introduced by Institute in the year 2017. So though that recording was done for the previous syllabus, it is still useful because nothing has changed except only one chapter called contract costing is deleted from the new syllabus. It means for 100% English recording, you may buy version 2 and you should skip only one chapter. Contract costing chapter you need not study because that is deleted from new syllabus. Rest everything is exactly the same. Now version 2, which was recorded earlier, is a regular batch and it covers the entire syllabus from A to Z in detail for those who are studying this subject for the first time. So if you are studying it for the first time, this regular batch of version 2 is useful for you. And moreover, the fees of this product is lower than the latest recording for Hindi and English. So I've kept the fee, I've reduced the fee of that earlier recording for the benefit of students, especially for the benefit of those who do not understand Hindi at all. Now some important points to be noted, my dear friends. Knowledge of costing subject will help you to understand the financial management subject also, that is FM, because some inputs from costing are required in FM. Now it's a scoring subject, costing is a scoring subject and many of my students have scored above 90 marks in the past. Highest score was 98 marks. But please remember the credit goes to the students because I teach everything same to all the students. But it is the sincerity and regularity of students who have studied with me through video lectures but still could manage to score 98 marks and many have scored more than 90 marks. Now, if you wish to understand the subject conceptually and once for your lifetime, if you want to study this subject once for a lifetime and conceptually, logically, then you are most welcome to buy our video lectures and score maximum marks in it. As I am not very active on social media, say I'm not a person who is very active on all the social medias. So it is better to consult your seniors who have studied with me in the past, because as I'm not very active, you will not find much of my reviews on social media. So you can talk to your seniors who have already studied this subject with me earlier. They will provide you the correct feedback and correct guidance. So you can just have a talk with those who are in CA final or those who have already passed CA course. Just talk to them about Rakesh Agrawal, right? And they'll be able to guide you properly. So thank you, friends. Do visit our website for more information and updates on www.carakeshagrawal.in. Okay friends, bye-bye.